Hello everyone, I'm Chris from Better Computing. In the last video I showed you how you can find your IP address in Windows 8 using command prompt, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change it. So you will need to be able to know your current IP address. That's certainly so you can find your the things like the subnet mask in your default gateway. So I will be showing you that again in this video. So the first thing we need to do is, if we go onto our desktop and use the Windows key and R, or if you don't know what the Windows key is, then you can go back onto the Metro interface and type in the word run. If you click that, then the first thing you should see is this. So in that we need to type in cmd, and in here we just need to see our IP address. So what we type in is ipconfig, and you should see something that looks like this. Obviously your IP address will be a lot different, but that is what you need. So to change your IP address, you will need to right click the icon on the bottom, which is for your network. If you've got a wireless adapter, it may look slightly different. There will be I think there's little bars, but it should be in the same kind of location. So if you find that and you right click it and you click Open Network and Sharing Center, and then go to Change Adapter Settings, if you right click the adapter you want to change, again if you want to interchange the adapter for a wireless, if you want to interchange the IP address on a wireless adapter, then you'll need to click that obviously. But so you click Properties, you then scroll down and go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP v4. You double click that, this window should open. If you've never done this before, it should be on obtain IP address automatically, but what we want is to use the following IP address. So from this video, from this window, you can see that our IP address at present is 10.0.0.194. Obviously I want this to be in the same subnet so it can still access the internet and the router and everything like that. So the IP address I'll be giving it is 10.0.0.70. The subnet mask is the same one we see there, so we can just change that to 255.255.255.255.255.0. Sorry about that. And the default gateway is the same one as well. So that is just the IP address of your router. So the preferred DNS servers, if you're wanting to use your current one, it'll most likely be the default gateway. That all the DNS server is where it sends domain names to be translated into IP addresses. So when you go onto Google, for example, it'll have to translate that into an IP address so it can find it. So again, you can use Google's DNS servers, which is 8.8.8.8, which I will be using, or if you don't want to use that, you can use your router's IP address again, but that's entirely up to you. So once you've done that, you click OK, OK again, and you can just close these windows down, and if you do ipconfig again, you should see our IP address has changed. So you should now be able to get on the internet as you would any other day. So thank you very much for watching. In the next video I'll be showing you how you can add more than one static IP address, and in the video following that I'll be showing you how you can change it back to get it dynamically from the router. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.